Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. During the Biafra Remembrance Day, especially in the southeast, there was 100% compliance. IPOB My Powerful had come on to say thank you to all Biafrans, those lovers of Biafra, for accomplishing that feat. And of course, he included the Old Eastern region. And some hours ago, at the old interview that was done by Nnamdi Kanu, insisting or telling Nigerians what happened when the government allegedly, according to him, told him to go with the 5 Biafran states, 5 southeastern states. He said no, that he will not leave other nationalities and minorities and those of his brothers behind, and he will go with the old eastern region, which included other parts of the south, the present south, the former old eastern region. Well, Governor Nyesom Wike has replied to them, and he has this. You're going to see it in a sort of an interview, and you're going to see the video, but we're going to give you exactly some of the words he said. Hi. You'll see in a moment what Wike said, but before we do all this, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you'll see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, has said he will continue to stand by his words that the activities of the indigenous peoples of Biafra, IPOB, are unacceptable in the state, whether his life is threatened or not. The governor, who spoke when he featured on the channel's television program Politics Today, monitored by us, said he is not afraid of death, as every man will die someday. He said that the sit-at-home order cannot work in Rivers State, as the state is a south-south state and not one of the southeastern states. He said, with all due respect, I have said it before and I will continue to say it. IPOB cannot make an order to say that people should sit at home in Rivers. I have said that clearly before, because it does not exist in River State. River State is south-south. We are in Niger Delta. I am not saying whether the people of Southeast should not obey what IPOB has said or not, but they cannot give orders to Rivers people that we should sit at home. No, it is not possible. Like I said, and like I always say, I am not against IPOB's activities in the southeast, because they have their rights to whatever they are doing with their people. But as far as River State is concerned, we are not part of it. So you cannot give an order when we are not part of whatever you are doing. How does it work? It doesn't work that way. It is like saying there are southeasterners who are staying in Lagos. Therefore, IPOB will give a sit-at-home order in Lagos that everybody should move. There are Igbo people staying in Kano. IPOB will go and make a sit-at-home order that nobody should move in Kano. It is not acceptable. So, IPOB for me. I have said that whether people like it or not, whether people want to kill me, I know that yes, people must die one day. But you must have to speak out and say this is not acceptable. Our people are not part of it, and so you cannot give order to people who are not part of what you are doing. When they gave that order, did anybody obey it in Rivers? No, because it cannot work as we are not part of them. Whoa, lot to say, I must say, but let's quickly say that for clarity, let's hear him verbally. He said it with his own mouth. Let's hear him when he talks it. Then let's come back and feel the pulse of everybody concerning what he just said.
Well, with all due respect, I've said it before and I'll continue to say it. IPOB cannot make an order to say sit-at-home order in River State. I've said so clearly before. Because it does not exist in River State. River State is not part of Southeast. I've always said that. River State is South-South. We're in Niger Delta. So, I am not saying whether the people of the Southeast should not obey what IPOB has said or not. But they cannot give order to Rivers people that we should sit at home. No, it is not possible. And that's what I've always said. I'm not against IPOB activities in the Southeast. Because They have the right to whatever they are doing with their people. But as far as Rivers State is concerned, we are not part of it. So you cannot give an order when we are not part of whatever that you are doing. How does it work? It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work. Therefore, IPOB will give a sit-at-home order in Lagos State. Nobody should move. There are Igbo people staying in Kanu. IPOB should go and make a sit-at-home order in Kanu that nobody should move in Kanu. No, it is not acceptable. It is never done. So IPOB, for me, and I've said it, whether anybody likes it or not, whether anybody wants to kill me, I do know. Yes, one must die one day, but you must have to speak out and say, this is not acceptable. Our people are not part of it. So you cannot give order to people.
All right, welcome back. Nigerians have reacted. Don't forget that in the map of Biafra and in the thank you message made by Ima Powerful, he mentioned all the states, all Eastern region, including Rivers State. And this is what Nigerians are saying generally on social media. This one here is saying, Wike is strong man. I love his God. Innocent donor. Very tough nut to crack. This one here is saying, Wike that said he can walk the whole of Rivers State without security. But I'll be happy if he can do that. I'm sure this was for to tell something. This one here is saying, Rivers State today was as busy as a market day. Wike the governor with balls. Huge great balls. This one here says, many Biafran fools will waste their lives, and when the online republic becomes a reality, he will come down to rule. The only leader leading from the back. Okay, I don't understand what he's saying here. This one here is saying, in other words, everybody should fence his village. Wike, please try and visit Imo first. Why would he want to visit Imo? He just said it that nothing concerns him with a southeastern state, that whatever they want to do there is their business. So he's practically saying it's not his business. This one here is saying he can't. He thinks that he will be in power forever. He doesn't know that music has changed already. UGM will do the needful. Unlike before, people will easily forget the atrocities of these evil men. Hope and Wike should just buy a permanent house in Abuja. Alright, generally, I guess everybody's just having a field day, but everybody just saying, for some of us who do not know, in Rivers, some banks did not open. Okay, probably due to fear of the sit at home. They don't know how strong it is. It will be, and also judging the fact that our money is in that place, so they have to be a bit careful. But generally, Rivers State, there was movement. Okay, Rivers State, there was movement. Akwa Ibom State, there was movement. Edo State, there was movement. Rivers, there was movement. I think Cross River too, there was also movement. But it was fully observed in Southeastern region. Let's put in the comment section, please, for to take. Have a nice time. God bless you.